before running the business, he gave us the tips on how to run the business. So because I said with a lack of knowledge, I have lost everything that is for me, or that is meant for me. So all those tips I didn't apply, so hence I lost the business. So hence we mismanaged, or I mismanaged the business. So one day, because I didn't read the tips that my husband gave me on how to run our business, I was ignorant. Yeah, I can also say I'm an ignorant person. So what happened? One day a customer came to buy. So she said, when this business started, when this food trailer